I have the power! This is my champion, Skeletor. Let them battle it out! Wow, guys, I am super excited today. I found out that Mattel actually sells Masters of the Universe figures brand new. This is an adult collector's series. It comes in a really nice brown box to protect the inside of the package, and once you open it, then you have the actual toy inside here in its own box. So it's an awesome series, guys. I mean, Mattel did a great job of recreating these figures. They are totally awesome. I mean, I love the Masters of the Universe figures, and I am so excited to be able to find them brand new. They're not cheap. You could buy them on the Mattel website. That's the only place I've seen them. I believe this set was about $45 for the two. The individual ones, I believe, are in the $20 range. So I'll be reviewing a lot of these. So here you have Laser Power He-Man, Heroic Master of Light Energy, and Laser Light Skeletor, Evil Master of Light Energy. I mean, I just love the packaging, guys. So here you have a bunch of the other figures. Like I said, I'll be reviewing pretty much all of the figures they have. They have probably about 15 to 20. And here is some info if you want to pause it and read what they have on the box itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and have some fun. I, Skeletor, have the awesome power. I will command this evil dino once and for all to destroy He-Man and his friends. Come forth, my mighty beast. I will command you with my staff. Come forth, He-Man, and face your doom with the mighty Skeletor! Oh man, you're back again! Don't you ever get tired of trying to doom me and my castle? Let's get this over with. Okay, what is it today? What mighty power do you bring against me? I command this huge dino to eat you! By the power of Grayskull, I have the power! I have the power! This is my champion, Skeletor. Let them battle it out! for the staff! What? No, not my staff! My staff! What have you done? You crushed it! Without that, I can't control him! Good doggy! Good doggy! No, no, no! Not me! Get He-Man! Oh no! Ah! Curses, He-Man! I will be back! I will conquer! I will! Run for my life! Ha 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 ha! Good triumphs again! By the power of Grayskull! I have the power! Well, that sure comes in handy. I'm going back to take a nap. And stay away! Okay, let's see what was in here before we take them out of the package. So here is what is in there. Like I said, I mean, they do a great job with these figures and the packaging. Okay guys, the package actually also comes with 2 miniature comic books. This is Masters of the Universe number 7 and 8. So it's 2 little comic books, which is a really nice collector's edition thing. And then on the back it shows a bunch of other figures. They don't have all of these figures, so I don't know where they're coming up with the figures, or maybe they'll have them later. Okay guys, first we're gonna go ahead and check out the Laser Light He-Man. He is totally awesome. If you push this button on his back, his sword lights up there. It's a little hard to see because my lights are kind of bright. I mean, I could turn them down some so you could get a better look. Okay, there you have a better look. I mean, it is a lot brighter than that. So if you push the button on his backpack, it's like I believe an LED light. So it actually like runs through the sword there. So it looks really cool. But guys, these are like adult collector's editions. So they are a lot more detailed and I think a lot cooler than their original. I had a lot of the original ones and I really think these things look a lot better. Let's first of all go ahead and we're going to take a look at him from top to bottom. So they do a much better job with muscle detail on these and movement too. The arm moves up, it moves 360 degrees at the shoulder, it moves 360 degrees here at the bicep, it folds at the elbow, and the hand also rotates 360 degrees. So you've got some really great movement with these figures. I mean, you could put them in a lot of different poses. Here is his chest plate with an H on the front. I believe the H also lights up. Maybe not. The Skeletor one, different parts light up. And another cool thing is here he will bend at the waist. So at the waist you could bend him forward. So it does look more realistic than the original one. So here he's got his same blue shorts. Leg movement, you could move his leg all the way up and rotate it 360 degrees. And then his knees will bend 180 degrees also, and his foot, his boot here will turn 360 degrees and his leg will go up and down. So as you can see, I mean, a lot more detail on these. The pieces will snap off of his shoulder and arm if you want to take the pieces off. And then the back view, you got his I don't know if this would be like some type of a power pack or something. It's a little almost intimidating looking. The sword will slide into there, so he could like have the sword on his back like that. And then I believe the whole backpack does also come off because you are supposed to take part of it off to change the batteries. Okay, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. He's got like silver. These would probably be gloves that he's wearing. Also, he does have 360-degree movement on the head. I mean, the paint job and the detail on the head is awesome. I have not seen such great detail in a while on an action figure. And then to top it all off with Skeletor, they even did a better job detailing this guy. He is totally awesome. He also has the laser light effects. If you go ahead and push the backpack, watch his light, his eyes. His eyes will light up red slowly, and his staff and arm here lights up. So here is a better look with the lights off. And it is a lot brighter than that because my camera is set up for my bright lights. So this part lights up and his eyes light up. It is totally awesome. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a better look at him. So first of all, same 360-degree movement there. His arm also rotates 360 degrees at the bicep. Then it bends at the elbow, and his hand itself will turn 360 degrees. As you can see here, I mean, they really added a lot of muscle to Skeletor. I don't remember Skeletor having muscles like that. I mean, basically, he's pretty much a skeleton figure. And then, really cool, his chest piece here is molded on to his body. So this is not removable. They gave him some serious abs. I mean, for a skeleton creature, really? That's kind of funny. And then his headpiece here is removable, and he is really intimidating. Look, here you can see they did a really great job detailing the skull. His head will turn, I don't think 360 because it's hitting the cape part here. I think the cape is removable. I mean, it looks to me like it is, but I don't really want to take it off. But anyways, here is a really good look at his head. I mean, he looks more like a cyborg here than he did in the regular shows. Once again, astounding detail with the paint and the molding and everything. I mean, these are awesome figures. And then they also did a really good job with his ram head skull here, which is, it does come out of his arm here. The staff does not actually light up, but the light from his arm, some of it bleeds into the staff. So that's a cool option. Once again, great movement on his arms here. I mean, he looks, they made him look like a bodybuilder here. And then here, he's got like a red glove on, and the other arm, it's like a cyborg appearance again. And then moving on down, he's got like his black shorts here with like a skull belt. Really astounding detail on his legs here. I mean, I'm not really sure what this is here. Great movement. It does bend 180. It does turn 360 degrees. And once again, okay, his legs don't turn, but they do move. His feet do move up and down. Really cool armored boots on this guy. Then taking a look at the back, it's a little harder to see, but even under the cape, I mean, they continue on with the great detail. I mean, this definitely is an adult toy, so it's really cool. And then the cape, it's like some type of a rubber type material. As you can see here, it does separate here around his backpack here. So here's a good look at the backpack. Here you just unscrew it to put the batteries in, and this is the power button to turn the lights on. So let me know, guys, what you think, because I think these figures are awesome. Wow, guys, that was a lot of fun. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you click subscribe and the thumbs up button down below the video. And today's secret word is the word. Go ahead and put that in the comment section down below the video. I'll know you're a member of my club. If you wait till the video ends, there's an awesome end card. There's a lot more fun videos. And I will see you soon. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.